how's it going? Matt Loberstein here. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. The main thing of this channel is that I am an Amazon seller. I've been doing this for about almost 4 years now. 7 figures in sales, build my own brands, all of that. You should definitely check out all of my old videos and stay tuned for all the new ones that are coming as I continue to show my journey, what I've learned, what I've done to get to this point. And I'm still learning, you know, this is just me on my journey as well. I'm not here saying that I know everything and blah, blah, blah. And you know, the guru, all of that. It's just, here's what I've done, here's what I'm doing, and I think you'll find a lot of value in it. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Now, I wanted to make this fairly last minute, Black Friday, urgent. Here are the things that you need to know that can really make you some extra money. Reason I'm doing this in the kind of the last minute is I realized I didn't actually make a Black Friday or Cyber Monday video this year leading into this season, like how to prepare 2 months ahead and all this stuff. So I kind of want to make this video to say, like, what are some practical, tactical things that you can implement immediately to hopefully extract out some extra profits and extra momentum. I'll get into that this Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming right up. Real quick before I get into that, if you didn't see my last video with Stephen Black, this was maybe the most valuable video I've done, at least in a long time. So many comments saying I watched multiple times, I shared it, all that stuff. I appreciate that so much. Really great feedback. I highly recommend going back and watching that video for some higher level marketing strategy to implement into your business that is really going to massively grow it over years. The other thing I want to talk about real quick is my Zero to Brand course is going on sale for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You guys know I don't even talk about it a lot. I don't do deals and it's closing and all this crazy stuff. I'm not really like that, but this time it is going on a deep discount Thursday through Cyber Monday. So that's a day early, Black Friday through Cyber Monday, and then it's done. This is the deepest deal, the deepest discount that you're gonna find. You know, this course, like I said, I don't get into it too much, but it really is everything A to Z. It's what I've done, what I've learned, the ups and downs through my successes and my failures, how to build this business the right way, the way that it's protectable, the way that it's scalable. It's all in there, everything from even if you have zero knowledge to getting launched and then to scaling and growing this real business for years to come, not just how to launch and then you're off on your own. It goes beyond that. So anyways, here's the thing. It is not on sale yet, so don't buy it right now. It's going on sale, and what you can do right now is there's gonna be a link in the description to just leave your email to make sure you don't miss out and that you'll be notified when this deal does go live on Thursday. You'll get an email so you'll know and you won't miss it if you're seeing it now. If you're seeing this video and it's already around Black Friday, it's already running, I'll just change the link in the description to go straight to the deal. And if you're watching this way into the future, sorry, I guarantee it's worth the full price and much, much, much more. That is my intent with the course. It was always for it to be worth way more than the full price. And I promise you, the cost of waiting longer will not be worth the weight of trying to save a little bit here or there. So it's highly worth the full price if you're watching this a month, 3 months, whatever from now. But anyways, enough on that. I just want you to know that if you don't want to miss that deal, just leave your email at that link. That's it. And then you'll be notified so you'll know when the deal is live. Anyways, Black Friday, let's talk. Some of you guys might remember, those of you that have been following me for a while, thank you so much, is that last Black Friday, Amazon, for no reason whatsoever, they canceled my huge Black Friday deal. It was majorly disappointing. I made a video, I'll link it up. I think it was a $35,000 potential deal. So my last year Black Friday Cyber Monday didn't quite go to what I hoped. I mean, it was still good, but I'll get into this, is that there are the deals that you schedule. That's where you make the huge money on Black Friday. Unfortunately, it's too late for that. You have to schedule those months back. I'll get into what you can still do on the fly to extract some extra in this video. But anyways, I'll pop it up on the screen as well, is that 2017 from Friday to Monday, I did $35,000 in sales, as you should be able to see right here, unless something went terribly wrong with the editing. And then you'll see that the year prior, so this is all the way back to 2016, 2 years ago from right now, I think it was, I'll have the screenshot, but I think it was $115,000 in that window. And that was because I actually had deals running. So this year I should have some really sweet deals. Let's jump into my computer and show you what the potential for my deals that are running are, assuming I don't have any crazy fluke happen like last year. This is going to be the potential of, if my lightning deals, these are the real Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, if they run, if they actually sell out, what is the potential sales for these deals? Just real quick, I was just giving these numbers, but I had the tabs open because I was looking at the numbers. But here we can see 2017 for that window, 35,000, and then in the other tab, Same window of dates, Friday through Monday, but 2016, 115,000. So boom, let's look at my deals. Okay, first little tip here, and I'm saying this because I actually realized that I think I thought my situation was slightly different than it was. Let me explain.
It's Amazon. What else would it be?
Here's the very important pieces. There's Black Friday, there's Cyber Monday, and then there's what Amazon refers to as Black Friday week and Cyber Monday week. If you ever try to schedule one of these deals and you get the week, but it's a day that's not even close, those deals are for sure not worth it. So one of mine that was originally Black Friday week, I swear one of these was Black Friday day. I still have a Cyber Monday day, and I'll get into that in a second. But one of my Black Friday week is for November 20th, which is Tuesday. I guarantee with my life that Tuesday is not anything like Black Friday. It's just a completely regular day. So I actually canceled that one. It wasn't worth the extra fee. Same thing would go if you did Cyber Monday week and then you got, you know, Wednesday or Thursday after Cyber Monday. Amazon is just gouging you for extra fees on those days. It is not worth it. So your fingers are always crossed that you get actual Black Friday or actual Cyber Monday. For me, it seems like those are just beginning to blend more and more, meaning it's just kind of like a Friday to Monday extravaganza. So I have one that ended up being on Saturday that I'm gonna keep and see how that goes. And that one is a total deal potential, meaning if it actually sells out all the units that I allow, it has a total potential of $32,253. And then I have one on Cyber Monday, on actual Cyber Monday. So this one should be sweet. And I currently have it, so the total deal potential is $14,502. But I think I'm actually going to up the quantity of what's available right now. Here's how it works. Sorry if I'm rambling a little bit here, but here's how it works. The lightning deals, you set the deal price. So the deal price is a mandatory discount off your regular price, and they tell you what the maximum it has to be. And then you allot a certain amount of units that you're okay with selling at that deal price. And there's typically a minimum as well. Now you can always go lower in the deal price if you wanted, and you can go higher in the quantity if you wanted. So that's what I'm talking about right now, is that I might as well put a little bit more units available. So maybe if it sells through, I can actually do more than the $14,500. So I'm gonna do that right now. I also have a couple scheduled for the 29th, which is Thursday. I'm deciding if I want to keep those or not. They're charging $300 for the week ones, and I think it's higher than that for the actual days, but I'll decide on that. Either way, I mean, I'd say I have a pretty good shot at doing 60,000 plus at least. The deals aren't maybe quite as good as I would have hoped to get locked in. It's always kind of a gamble, but still, it's a lot of potential revenue. And now let's get into why this is actually helpful for you. Sorry if I rambled a lot right there. So here's how it can actually be practical for you, and this is why it's worth giving such a massive discount, even if I didn't get the best slots possible, and even if it won't necessarily be massively crazy profitable, it will be profitable. But here's the thing. Similar to the way I talk and think about PPC, pay-per-click sponsored products advertising within Amazon, is these are opportunities for you to game Amazon's system and gain more momentum, get more reviews, get more sales, get more ranking, get more eyeballs on your product, get your stuff out there. So look, hypothetically, if you could blast 1,000 units at break even, that's probably going to be very good for your business in the long term. I mean, that's a hypothetical, but that's kind of the sort of philosophy I would take towards these lightning deals. And even the same principle kind of applies to PPC and in general on these crazy holidays. Now, as I said, you can't schedule a deal now. Those deal slots I submitted, you know, probably, I think it's like 4 months ago. It's something crazy. And then you don't even find out what your real slot is until it gets closer, and yeah, whatever. Anyways, here's how what happens in on these days is on these days for everybody. If you've done nothing, here's what you need to understand is that the buyer intent is going to be extremely high, and the traffic is going to be extremely high. So that means that Amazon as a whole is going to have way more people on it. So that's the traffic piece. There's traffic and there's conversion. There's how many people are looking, and then there's how many of those people actually submit. And on these days, like a Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you know, peak Christmas shopping, traffic is higher and buyer intent for conversion is higher because these people are actively looking for deals and they're looking to buy gifts or whatever. So because of this, that means that your product is going to convert better than normal. So let's say you normally had a 10% conversion rate and you were getting 100 visitors a day and you were selling 10 units per day. Well, you might end up with a 20% conversion rate on a day like this, which means with your same 100 people, now you're selling 20 instead of 10. Except because of this day, you're not getting 100 visitors anymore. Now you're getting 500 visitors. So now you're getting, at that conversion rate, it's what, 100 sales instead of 10 because the traffic 5x and your conversion doubled. I'm not sure if I did the right math on the fly, but you understand the principle. Higher traffic, higher conversion. So people are hungry. That means run your ads like crazy. This is an opportunity to really game it and boost momentum. It's like a mini launch. Think about having a month condensed into a day, and that's what it's like. I get asked a lot, should I wait to launch? I'm going into Q4, should I launch now? Should I wait till January? All of these types of things. And the answer is always sooner the better, because at worst you might not be able to really profit on these holidays, because the best place to be would be already being established going into it. But the next best thing is to use these to your advantage to accelerate it, because there is so much traffic and buyer intent that you can really just, it's like an extra kickstart to it. It's, again, like I said, it's like having a month in a day, or December is almost like having 6 months in a month. It's just an example, but that's how it feels, because you can get your data so much quicker. You can test so much quicker. There's so much more potential PPC spend. There's so much more potential clicks. There's so much more potential conversion. Everything is just on steroids. So use that to your advantage. What I would say, a few little practical tips is this. Number one, be prepared to spend a lot more on your PPC or whatever ad strategy you're doing in general, because your budgets are going to get blasted way quicker than normal because there's so much more traffic clicking on your ads. If you usually spend $50 and it takes you till the nighttime to actually spend that $50, you might wake up at 7 a.m. and have already spent $50 because of the heightened traffic. So be ready for that, adjust accordingly. I would also, so maybe you're increasing that one, but you could also set up a lower bid campaign. So copy your campaign, do an auto campaign with a low bid, because there's gonna be this straggler traffic at the bottom because of there's so much more in general and everybody's budgets are being spent up. So set up some additional low bid campaigns and you can really capitalize on all of these cheap extra clicks. There's just gonna be so much going on. If you do have social media, you do have a list, you do have a way to engage with your potential audience, I would highly recommend doing some sort of short-term deal. People love deals, scarcity, all of that really converts. For a real life example here, like I said, Zero to Brand is gonna be on sale. I guarantee a lot of people that were on the fence are gonna be like, wow, I've wanted this is great, I'm sold on that, but now here's the deal, it's ending on this day, it's genuinely discounted. That is a highly compelling thing. And if you can apply that's just how selling works, right? It's good for both parties. So if you can do that with your product to your existing audience that's already anchored in what your price usually is, and all of a sudden it's discounted, then wow, I'm gonna jump in, I'm gonna buy your product now because it's a better deal than it normally is. Now, if you don't have that, I would highly suggest trying the visible coupons. These are the orange coupons that show up directly in search, directly on the listings. Those ones are very noticeable. I'm personally not a fan of like editing title, editing photos, stuff like that. It's kind of like, I don't know, you could potentially do that, but I personally usually don't bother with that. On top of all that, the best part is that these same principles apply to every major holiday. If you have something that makes a lot of sense for Mother's Day, then the same principles apply. If you are selling something giftable, then the same thing is going to apply all through December, ramping up until about December 21st. I did make some really solid Q4 tip videos last year. I'll be sure to link those up so you can go and check out some detailed Q4 in general videos, and maybe I'll make another soon. Let me know if I should. I kind of haven't done a Q4 video, not sure. I just felt like I had already said it last year, but I should probably say it again. So watch those. Let me know if you want to hear more about Q4 and what's about to come. Anyways, feel like that was a pretty rambly video. I hope that was still highly valuable. I just got on a serious roll there and felt a little unstructured. Hopefully you really liked it. Hopefully that was valuable. Reminder, that Zero to Brand discount, it goes live on this Thursday. I don't even know the date. I'll pop it up. The Thursday before Black Friday, and it ends on Cyber Monday night at midnight. That is real. This is a big discount, the only time I do it. And it's not live yet at the time this video is being posted, but if you don't want to miss out, there's a link below in the description. All you have to do is put in your email and you will be notified for sure to make sure that you don't just not hear about it for some reason and you wanted it. So It's a huge value. I know that you'll be extremely happy with it, especially at this crazy discount. So I'm excited to see a lot of you in it and be a part of your guys' success, even more so than just from YouTube. Though, if you don't get it, I'm happy with that too. If you take these videos and you build $1 billion business, tell me, I'm pumped. That's awesome. So I'm never gonna just be, hawking it all the time. But I do like to give a deal like this for this occasion. I think that people appreciate it, and I'm excited to get more people in there, and I'm excited to help more people. The more I'm in this, the more I'm realizing it's genuinely a way to help people on a deeper level. So I want to do that with you, and there's that deal. If you want it, it's going live soon, so drop your email so you'll be sure to find out, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far in the video, please do give a thumbs up, drop a comment. Oh yeah, let's do a comment winner. If this is you won the last giveaway, drop a comment and you can win again on this video to win a 20-minute consultation call with me for free. All you have to do is subscribe, hit that bell, thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. And that's it. Stay tuned for that discount. I appreciate you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot. I just want to grow this channel more and more and more. I really want to focus on it. Thank you. Peace out. Next video.